how to create AliExpress account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser. You can also install AliExpress app in your device, but the steps are quite similar. So after opening up the preferred browser, in the search bar you have to click in search for AliExpress. After opening it up, you'll be able to see the web page of AliExpress. So you have to go for aliexpress.com. After that, you'll be open to the official web page of AliExpress. So in the right hand side, in the upper side, you can see there is an account option right next to wish list. So after touching an account, you can see there is a register and sign in option. If you already have an account, then you can go for sign in. If you want to register and create a new account, then you have to click on register. After that, you have to enter your location over here. The location is automatically selected. After that, you can either select your email address and password, or you can also continue with your Facebook, Google, Twitter or Apple. After that, you have to choose an account over here. You can also use another account. And by entering all the necessary information, you can see my account has been created. And by following this simple step, you can create AliExpress account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.